How to fix profile photos not showing or loading or showing blank. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if our profile photos are not showing or if they are absolutely blank. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If Hinge profile photos are not loading or if they appear blank, the issue could be likely related to multiple reasons. Start by making sure that your internet connection is totally stable. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. You can also try to log out of your Hinge account by coming to Profile page, tapping on the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, scrolling down and selecting the option Log Out and Re-log in again. You can also clear the application's cache files and data. So on Android, you can long press the Hinge app icon, tap on the eye icon which is going to take us to the app information page. And from here we can scroll down to storage and we can clear the cache files and we can clear the data. Ensure that your Hinge app is also updated to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.